What's up, guys? We're taking Weston up to the top of the motocross track to a little spot in the woods to let him practice some trail riding for the first time ever. Weston's going over that log. All right, we're gonna go down this hill. Just keep your hands on the brakes, okay? You can use your front if you want, but don't grab a whole handful of it, okay? Or you'll slide out. Mainly use your rear going down a hill. All right, let's go. Going down a hill for the first time. He's creeping, but he's doing good. The problem with this 230 is the brake locks up and then it doesn't unlock real well. Alright, see if you can follow me, okay? Uh-oh. We can't cross this log, so I'm gonna move this log that's in this ditch, and I want you to turn around right here, go back through that ditch, okay, and go up where that log is, just like I'm about to go. Come through here and go up through here, okay? You can do it. There you go. Look at that, dog.
This Jeep has made a nice...
It's nice, isn't it?
You don't get your bike and bring up here?
I'm gonna walk up this way because I don't think you can go very far. And then I'm gonna go walk up and see where you can go. And then I want you to go up there when you're gonna turn around, ride back through here to the top of the hill where the motocross track is, then turn around and come back, all right? And do that a few times. You wanna try to cross your first muddy creek? All right, just go across. Whoa, go, nice, he did it. Yes! All right, so...
It's so easy to go down.
Watch these logs. Come on up. Right through here, there you go, perfect. Perfect. It's okay, it's okay. Now, turn around and come right through here and back down the hill. Yep, keep that inside foot on the ground. There you go. You got your right foot on the brake, good job. Straight back down through here.
Okay.
You're doing great, man. I didn't know you were so good on the trails. Yeah, it's your first time. Whoa! He's crushing it.
What?
Absolutely crushing it. Right up the hill he goes. Bud, you've never won any hard enduros. Look, he's just shooting right up the hill.
I was just saying, if we clean that off, you might actually maybe be able to make him a loop down here.
Especially if it's dry.
Oh, yeah.
Are you worried? Are you worried about this?
What?
Are you worried about like this bike being more capable?
It's a 230.
Okay. Now, what do you think your mistake was there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
All right, I'll tell you, okay?
Okay.
Dang, your bar went into the ground. Look where your front wheel hit. See where your front wheel hit?
Yeah.
Your front wheel hit way too steep. You can't go up. Oh, I just covered myself in mud. You can't go up that, buddy. Your front wheel's got to be over here somewhere, right?
Yes.
And where this is kind of getting muddy,
Yeah.
you can't get right here into the mud and then goose it, right?
Okay.
You have to kind of be coming and keep a little bit of momentum, right?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna fill in this with a couple rocks for us, okay?
Okay.
He just ran his front wheel right into this ledge and just fell over. See? With the electric bikes especially, if you get up on a log like that and stop, it's gonna be hard to get going, so you're gonna have to rock it a little bit.
Like this?
Yeah, and give it gas. There you go, there you go. Smooth throttle. There you go. What'd you do, hit a log?
Yeah.
He did so good on his first lap, he got a little,
Rambunctious.
yeah. Oh my God, May.
God.
I was about to say, where is he? But you can't hear his bike.
Yeah.
Momentum, keep going. Nice work, nice work. Oh, good job, dude. I like that balance correction, man.